Koko was born back in the 1940s. Can you believe it? He's practically as old as Chuck Norris. Now, at 84 years old, he sometimes gets a little grumpy, especially when he inspects the bed sheets to make sure everything meets his standards. Koko was rescued by the police after being mistreated, and at first, he didn't like me at all. He would sleep all day, and we thought, yep, he's a complete grandpa. But after a few weeks, we began to see a totally different bird emerge.